Real estate investments. Invest in properties such as residential or commercial real estate and benefit from appreciation and rental income. Create and monetize intellectual property. Develop innovative products, services, or creative works that can be patented, copyrighted, or licensed for royalties. Build a strong personal brand. Develop a strong personal brand that resonates with your target audience. This can lead to lucrative partnerships, endorsements, and speaking engagements. Develop and sell software/applications. Create software programs or mobile applications that provide value to users and monetize them through sales or subscriptions. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Research and invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, with significant income potential. However, be aware of the associated risks and volatility. Start an e-commerce business. Start an online store selling products or services. Leverage platforms like Shopify or Amazon to reach a wider customer base. Provide professional services. Provide specialized services such as consulting, training, or freelance services in areas you specialize in. Invest in mutual funds/index funds. Diversify your investment portfolio by investing in professionally managed mutual funds or index funds that match your risk tolerance. Become a successful author. Write and publish books, ebooks, or audiobooks that capture readers' interest and earn passive income. Develop and monetize a YouTube channel. Create compelling video content on YouTube, attract a large subscriber base, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Invest in high-yield bonds. Consider investing in corporate bonds or government bonds with higher yields than traditional savings accounts.